Hello students, I welcome you to an introductory session on Python. Python is a general purpose programming language and it was created by Guido van Rossum. You can download Python ideally to your computer from www.python.org. The acronym IDLE stands for Integrated Development Learning Environment. Once you install Python in your computer, you can see the icon on your desktop. Double click this icon. The Python shell will appear. This is called as the interactive mode. So in this window, you can see a symbol here which is made up of 3 times greater than sign. This is called as the Python prompt. At this prompt, you can type short commands and try out the output. This is called as interactive mode. So let us see how this works. Suppose I do an arithmetic calculation and press enter. You can see the result immediately. Same way, I give a print command, print hello, and press enter key. The text is printed. Even I can store values in variables and do simple arithmetic calculations. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, A into B. So you can see the answer 200. Even though we can try out simple commands in the interactive mode, it is not possible for us to save these statements as a Python program. If you want to create a Python program which is called as a Python script, you have to do script mode programming. For that, you have to open an editor, which is done by giving the command file new file. Therefore, to create a Python script, you have to use the command file new file. It has a keyboard shortcut Ctrl+N. When you use this command, an editor will appear where you can type your Python script. This is called as script mode programming. So here in this editor, I'm going to type my program. After typing the program, the second step in script mode programming will be to save the Python script. So the first step will be file save. You select the command file save. The save as dialog box has appeared. In the file name text box, you type the name you want to give to your Python program. So here I'm giving as ex1.py. .py is the extension for Python. This extension is optional. That is, you can give .py or you can even omit. If you omit, Python itself will take the extension as .py. Next, you select the save button. Now your program will be saved in the name which you have given. So here it will save as ex1.py. So the steps are: file save. You can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+S. Save as dialog box appears. Enter the file name in the file name box and click the save button. The third step is to execute your Python script. So the command is run module. Select run module. For this, the keyboard shortcut is F5. So once you give this command, if there are any errors in your program, you would have made some typographical errors, some syntax mistakes. Immediately it will show the error in red color and also what error it is. So EOL, that is end of line, while scanning string literal. So in order to show you this error, how the error appears, I have purposely made an error in my program. So you would have noticed that I have missed a single quote. I have opened a single quote. I have missed the close quote. So I did this on purpose in order to show you how an error will occur. Now to remove this error, you click OK and then you do the correction. So if there is any error, it will be shown in red color. So what you have to do? You have to do the correction. You can see I have put the close quote next to sum is equal to. So do the correction. Once again you save by giving Ctrl+S and again run. So this doing the correction, saving and then again run. You have to repeat this again and again until there are no errors in your program. So when there are no errors, the output will appear in the IDLE window of Python. So the output of this program will appear in the interactive mode window. That is called as the IDLE window of Python. Okay, for this you will see the output. Sum is equal to 30. So once again we will revise what we learned today. There are two modes to do Python programs: interactive mode, script mode. There are 3 steps in script mode programming. The first step is create a Python script. Second step, save the Python script. Third step, execute the Python script. So in the first step, you have to follow these sub-steps. File, new file, in order to create a new script. Type your Python script, which is nothing but your Python program. And second step, file, save. Save as dialog box appears. Enter file name in the file name box and click the save button. After saving, you can go on to the third step, which is executing the Python script. So you have to give the command run module. or you can directly press F5. If there is any error, it will be shown in red color. Do the correction. Once again save and again run. When there are no errors, the output will appear in the IDLE window of Python. So in today's class, you have learnt that there are two modes in Python programming, interactive mode and script mode. And you have learnt how to do script mode programming. That is, there are 3 steps in script mode programming, and you have learned the 3 steps. Thanks for watching.